Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. As 2022 is the year of the tiger, let us do a Chinese idiom that has the Chinese word tiger, hu. The Chinese idiom we are doing today is 不入虎穴，焉得虎子。不入虎穴，焉得虎子 originated from a book known as Hou Han Shu, written by Fan Ye of the southern dynasties of Song. This book is a chronicle style history book that records the history of the Eastern Han Dynasty. This Chinese idiom can be found in volume 47, the biography of Ban Chao, 卷47班良列传第37 Story of 不入虎穴，焉得虎子 In the 16th year of Yongping, Ban Chao, with an army led by Dougu, attacked Yiwu in the northeast region of Xinjiang. They beheaded many Xiongnu Hun in a fierce battle in Buleihai and returned victorious. Dougu considered Ban Chao as a very capable man and highly recommended him to the emperor. Ban Chao was then sent on a diplomatic mission to the Xiyu western regions with Guo Xun. When Ban Chao first arrived at the country of Shanshan, the king was very hospitable and respectful towards them. But after a while, he began to distance himself and gave them a cold shoulder. Ban Chao noticed this odd behavior and told the attaché about this. The attaché simply told him that Hu were not etiquette people, and blowing hot and cold on them was not something to be concerned about. Ban Chao, on the other hand, felt something amiss. He summoned the attendants serving them and conned them to divulge information about the Hun. He told them that he knew the Hun had arrived in Shanshan for 3 days and wanted to know where they were. The attendants panicked after hearing that and told Ban Chao the place the Hun were staying. Ban Chao then gathered the 36 men who came with him and told them about the dire situation. He told them the Hun pressured the king of Sanshan to hand over the envoy as a bargaining chip with the emperor. He further said that their bones will forever be in this foreign land and to be eaten by the jackals. Upon hearing this, the 36 men told Ban Chao that they would do according to his instruction in this life and death situation. Ban Chao then said, 不入虎穴，焉得虎子 Ban Chao led the officials into the Hun's barracks at nightfall. Armed with drums and fire, Ban Chao instructed 10 men to hold drums and hide behind the barracks. He told them to shout and beat the drums upon seeing the fire. The rest of the men were ambushed on both sides of the camp gate. After Ban Chao ignited the fire, the men shouted and beating the drums. The Huns were caught by surprise and panicked. Ban Chao personally killed 3 Huns, and more than 100 people were burned to death that night. New words. 新词语焉how 随缘 attache 疏远 estranged or to distance oneself 怠慢 give someone a cold shoulder 蹊跷 strange or odd 忽冷忽热 blowing hot and cold. Actual meaning of 不入虎穴焉得虎子不入虎穴焉得虎子 literally means don't enter tiger's den. How to get tiger's cubs. This Chinese idiom actually means that it is very difficult to succeed if one does not take risk or get out of one's comfort zone. The English proverb is nothing ventured, nothing gained. How to use 不入虎穴焉得虎子想要成功，我们要有不入虎穴焉得虎子的精神。想要成功，我们要有不入虎穴焉得虎子的精神。If we want to succeed, we must have the spirit to enter the tiger's den to get the tiger's cup. Chinese idiom with similar meaning. 亲临其境亲临其境亲临 come personally 其境 this situation. The Chinese idiom means to go through a situation personally. Chinese idiom with opposite meaning. 胆小如鼠胆小如鼠胆小 coward or chicken-hearted 如鼠 like a mouse. This idiom means as timid or cowardly as a mouse. That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you. 今天的视频就到此结束。谢谢大家。